coming out. Fuck. Here we go.
I like the sound effects as well. Yeah, that makes it sound more fun.
I'm not 7 years old anymore.
No. Nope.
It is fun though.
God.
Wow. This was a lot of fucking work.
That's it.
Oh, I'm scared to be on here.
Oh, I like what it's doing to your hair. Wait.
What's
Wait.
it doing to my hair?
Your hair is like total static cling.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's flying in the air.
I'm like, what's it doing to my hair?
I'm hearing air escape.
I feel like Ace Ventura when he was birthed out of the... Oh yeah, you're not kidding.
Yeah.
This thing's awesome.